At the heart of Forest Group's water filtration products is our specialist EPS bead, made from recycled materials. At a microscopic level, the bead has an armoring function, attracting and capturing water-soluble chemicals. Collectively, the bead is used to trap sediment, meaning when contaminated water flows between the beads, it becomes an effective filter, cleaning the water. Using this bead, Forest Group developed Gully Guard for contamination prevention through gully pots. Designed for high volumes of water and storm events, capturing 98% of sediment and 97% of PAH compounds. Polybed for aggregate replacement, urban drainage and septic soakaway. For flexible installations with enhanced load-bearing properties, Polybed meets the calculated standard drainage requirements for any application. Filter barrier for enhanced site inlet and outflow filtration, creating a barrier defense for entrapment of both contaminated water and sediments. Filter barrier further enhances the environmental impact protection on sites. Forest Group filtration and drainage. All powered by our EPS bead.